Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. Alright, in this short video, I will show you how to do the S-curve for the lower strokes, okay? Someone on our forum asked me last night, how do we do the S-curve for the lower strokes? So here, I quickly will show you how, okay? And I'm going to do freehand, okay? Freehand, I just want to show you the concept. So suppose we have some brows like this, and here's our spine for the lower stroke area, okay? Alright, just like that, okay? Can you see? Alright, so now I'm going to use my right hand, and I'm going to fill out the lower stroke for this area here, okay? So just suppose that I will draw the lower line like this here. Okay, everyone got it? So now let's get started, okay? Everyone ready? Can you see? Perfect. Okay. Here we go. Let me position the latex skin. Alright, so looks good. Okay, let me do it here. Get some little bit ink right here. First drop on the line. Okay. Lower stroke, right on the line here. Okay, keep going. Okay, get some ink. Okay. Some ink here, just like that. Get some ink. Keep going here. Keep going here. Last one on the line. Okay, going on. There we go. Now I'm going to fill in. So these are the S-curve for the lower stroke, and we can use S-curves inside among these gaps right here, okay? Or we can use a regular strokes. Let me show you some regular stroke right now, okay? I'm going to get orange right here. Okay, just like that, okay? Okay, that's some still more gap here. Go back and fill it. So we can do regular stroke, okay, extend this one a little bit, there we go. Or we can use S-curve inside the gap right there. Okay, let me show you how to do the S-curve in here. Okay, so you understand the concept, okay. Alright, keep going. Onto the spine like that. Now, we can use S-curve again inside. Just like that. Okay. Let's get going. Let's use some more S-curve inside here. Or let's do some inverted windy crest. Very simple, yeah? Very simple. Just like that. Just invert it. And this one is S-curve. And now we use a regular windy crest pattern right there. You see, I use my holder here because the camera is in my way. We have to hold it correctly like this, okay? Not like that. But I'm trying to show you the concept, okay? So you have to be careful when you work on client. You have to be straight, you know. You have to hold the holder the blade correctly. Do not tilt to the right or to the left like that, okay? But I'm doing right here because the camera is in my way and I try to show you, okay? Be careful. Now let's get going with this one right here. S-curve, S-curve again, regular stroke like that. Okay, keep going here. S-curve again, regular stroke if we want to, and here we do regular stroke right here. Okay, just like that. Very simple, folks. Very simple. Yeah. Okay. So that's for the lower stroke area. Okay. And now I'm going to repeat on the other side. On this side here, and I'm going to use my left hand. Okay. Let's check on my left hand. I have not used it for a while. So now let's check. Okay. Suppose we have something like this for on this side here. Okay, so this is the area that we will fill out. Okay, just suppose we have something like that. Okay, now let's do the S curve on this side. Let's get some ink here. Can everyone see? Alright, first stroke on the line. Okay, first stroke on the line. Now do the S curve. We position my lamp a little bit. There we go. Much better. Okay, now I'm going to do some S curve here. One. Some ink here. 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5. Get going. 6. Okay, keep going and keep going. Last one on the line, just like that. Can everyone see? So now I'm going to fill in the gap with the orange ink right here. Okay, here we can use the regular Windy Grass pattern singleton to fill the gap here. Yeah, tiny gap, 1, 2, like that, onto the spine. Okay, here I'm going to use some S-curve pattern inside the S-curve. And one more regular stroke right there. There we go. Now I'm going to do some S-curve below here. Some more regular stroke on top like that. Okay, yeah, my left hand not bad, eh? Not bad. Okay, let's get going. Okay, here I'm going to fill this one here. Regular little S-curve inside the S-curve like that. Now I'm going to use the Windy Grass just like that. You see, you can mix and match. Okay, you can mix regular, you know, sometimes S-curve. Here I'm going to fill in the regular stroke right here. You see, very regular stroke like that. Okay, and then let me do some S-curve right here, just like that. And here there's some gap right there, you see, just adding something right in between like that, you see. Now I'm going to do S-curve below here. Okay, regular one. Add some ink here. S-curve right there. Some short stroke right there. You see? You can do a lot of things. Yeah, just play and experiment around with it, okay? Regular curve like that. How about regular one like that? What do you guys think? Wow, that's my left hand. Not bad, eh? Not bad at all. Okay, and for this S-curve here, the thing I want to reminding you is to keep the shape of the lower stroke area, we need to extend a little bit here. Okay, so that the stroke, the root of the strokes getting closer to each other to keep the shape. Okay, just like that. Just extend the down a little bit, and so here, there you have it. Okay, S curve for the lower strokes. Okay, can everyone see? Let me move the camera a little bit. There you have it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so this one is for lower strokes. Okay, and if you want to do upper stroke, it's very easy. Yeah, upper stroke. If you want to do upper stroke, it should start somewhere around here. Okay, and then it go down something like that. Okay, anyway, here I just show you how to do the lower strokes on the right and lower stroke on the left. I did this one right here with my right hand on this side and left hand on that side. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. Thank you and good night.